Today is February 27th, 2025. Look at my plum tree out there cutting up. It's blossoming. Oh my goodness. I'm zone 9B. Look at that plum tree out there cutting up. I am a container gardener. I did want to put that tree in a larger container. It's in a 27-gallon laundry tote. However, I think it's too late. There go the tag. It's cutting up, you guys. What you think? We getting some plums this year again? We got some last year. All right. Thank you for stopping by. So with Carla. Please do that YouTube thing. Like, subscribe, comment. It costs you nothing but a little bit more of your time. Have a wonderful and blessed day.